Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert BNB to Ethereum in MetaMask. For that, you just have to launch your MetaMask mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now, once you are successfully logged in, the first thing that you need to do is to simply change your network and you need to convert it to BNB Smart Chain. For that, you will have to tap on this top arrow button in the top and after that, you need to tap on BNB Smart Chain. Once done, you are going to find the BNB token, so simply need to tap on BNB and on the next page you need to tap on swap in the bottom. Afterwards, you just have to wait for some time until it is responding and once done you will have to select a token. So you simply need to tap on select a token and after that you will have to search for ETH. Now after selecting the Ethereum token, you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap with Ethereum. Then you need to tap on get codes in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then it will take some time until it redirects you on the next page where you are going to see the conversion rates. So over here you need to tap on swap. In order to swap it, this way you will be able to convert BNB to Ethereum in MetaMask. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.